In our problem, we will follow the PEMDAS rules. So we must do the parentheses first. After that, the exponents. Then multiplication or division. At last, addition or subtraction. You know that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same for addition and subtraction. Now let's start the solution. In this problem we have this subtraction and this multiplication. Also we have these parentheses. By implementing the PEMDAS rules, we must do this parenthesis first. After that we do this multiplication. And at last we do this subtraction. So first we do this parenthesis. We have
4
minus
9
equals,
minus 5
and the problem became
4
minus
9
times,
minus 5
and now we must do this multiplication first.
9
Times,
minus 5
which gives us,
minus 45.
now the problem became
4
minus,
minus 45,
which gives,
49.
and this was the final answer for our problem.